Hey there, visionary entrepreneurs and Amazon sellers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines cutting edge technology with creative design and business innovation. We'll be showing you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT and Leonardo AI to enhance your design projects and even develop innovative ideas for your business, regardless of your tech prowess. Get ready for a game changing experience. Make sure you're tuned in and hit that subscribe button to never miss out on our creative insights. To kick things off, I will show you how to use ChatGPT and Leonardo AI in creating stunning logos, captivating websites, packaging that pops, great product inserts, and even suggestions for your product development. Definitely, the possibilities are endless. So, with ChatGPT, even if tech isn't your thing, your ideas are safe. Type leonardo.ai on the search field to access this page. Then click on create an account if you haven't created one. This pop-up box will appear. Register first. If you aren't on the early access list, please register below. Type your name, your email address, and click on count me in. And it will show you a form and fill it up and they will send you an email. So for example, you've done that in the past, just click on yes, I'm whitelisted and it will route you to this page. Each day, they will give you a finite number of tokens to use per image. So they have 150. This resets in 22 hours. It may take up to an hour to update your tokens. For the pricing, it has a free option, unlike its counterpart Midjourney, but it has the same quality. Today we'll be using AI image generation for this tutorial. So as you can see here on the dashboard, per image that you will generate, it will take up some tokens, and you have other features here. Just click on the question mark inside the circle to know what that is. You even have an option to input the dimension, and also you can add some images. Use ChatGPT. This is the prompt that I created. Act as a brand strategy consultant. I want to open a business. I'm going to sell eco high quality soap products. I want to open an online shop. I need help to design my logo. My products are premium eco products. We will target customers with above average income. Imagine a logo for me and describe it in great detail. Make a logo with high resolution. Create text that contains shorter than 250 words. Let's see. So let me just copy this and paste it in Leonardo AI. Okay, I put 250 words there so it will fit here. And I will just have probably 2 images and click on generate. Okay, so this is a nice logo that we can utilize. Once you're satisfied with the logo that was generated, click on this 3 dots. You can download it. and you can generate it again if you're not satisfied. Now let's generate new product ideas. In ChatGPT, type act as a product development designer. Imagine a new design for garlic press, something completely innovative and different looking than anything on the market. Base it on the description from a popular garlic press on Amazon. Let's go to Amazon and copy this information and paste it in ChatGPT. You can also add here make text in 250 words or less. Then generate. Okay, now we're going to copy this. And put it in Leonardo AI and click on generate. So there you go. You have a new product idea here. You can modify this, you can regenerate, you can even talk to your graphic designer or your engineer, product engineer, to make other suggestions. Now let's make a prompt for a website. You can certainly modify this prompt according to your needs. In ChatGPT, make me a website for this luxurious eco-looks soap dairy product. Indulge responsibly, experience opulence with a conscience. Our premium dairy soap product combine luxury and sustainability. Handcrafted dairy soap product ethically sourced ingredients, uncompromising quality. Join our journey, indulge in guilt-free luxury. Follow us for updates. Create text that contains shorter than 200 words. Let's generate. Okay, now let's copy this one. And put it in Leonardo AI. And click on generate. As you can see here, you were able to generate a landing page for a website that you can utilize. Now, if you are already familiar in making prompts, you can directly type the prompt here in Leonardo AI. Let's make one for one-pager product insert. I placed here, create an innovative, attention-grabbing one-pager product information insert for this luxurious Ecolux dairy product. So let's generate. Okay, so that's a good design that we can replicate. Now let's create a prompt for making a packaging design for our product. Make me an innovative, attention-grabbing packaging design for this luxurious Ecolux dairy soap product. You can, again, modify this according to your needs once you are familiar with creating a prompt. Now you have your number of images. We can generate 3 and click on generate. So that's a nice product design packaging. So there you go, guys, for today. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.